Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to see how I made this dress. Yes, we shall begin with our A-skirt pattern, A-line skirt pattern. I already have it. We are going to split and spread. Yeah, I make these patterns and keep them. Yeah, if you make a pattern, keep it for further use. So that when you're beginning to make a dress, you don't begin from zero. So in case you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe. And in case you're a returning subscriber, yes, hit that notification bell. And thank you for always coming and watching these videos. So we are going to spread like that and put an extra paper down, put some sealing tape as you see me do, yeah, and then cut. So we are going to get a luxurious fabric as always, and this fabric is on fold, mind you. Yeah, it's on fold. So we are going to cut the front and the back. So you cut two pieces on fold, one piece for the front and one piece for the back. In case you want to put a zipper, then you can cut two pieces and also leave a zipper allowance, but I did not do that. I just used two pieces. Yeah, so you have to divide. I made my back pattern. If you don't know basic pattern, you can check my channel. It has how to make a basic bodice. So that is the back. I just divided the shoulder line by 2 and connected to the dart. So I'm putting just an extra for the seam allowance, for the sewing allowance. Yeah, we need how to join the skirt to the blouse to make a dress. So I put those extra inches, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut. So just split on the just split in the middle of the shoulder line. Yeah, you don't need to do anything so complicated. Just split in between and connect that line to the nipple to nipple measurement on the bust line. So that will be our back pattern. So after the back, we shall go on the front pattern. I've already drafted it already. If you don't know, please, I have a tutorial on this channel. Yeah. So I shall put a bust dart, yeah, and I'll just move that bust dart around. I extended my front pattern because I put a bust dart, and when I cut that bust dart, the front part will be shortened. So that's why I added some allowance down. So I'm going to close the waist dart like you can see there, and we shall have a bust dart there. So we split our back pattern into two pieces like that. And at first I had made the armhole dart on the front pattern, but I found it unnecessary, so I closed it. Yeah. So I went on the shoulder and divided the shoulder by 2 as I did in the first place, like that. So I cut it like that. So we are going to join. So I joined the front and the back on the outer parts, not on the center front and the center back. I did not join the center front and the center back, but I joined the back, the part which is not in the center, together like that. So remember, I cut my pattern into 2, and I cut 2 pieces of that. Then I went and cut out my center front and center back separately because I could not cut them together. So that is my center back, and after I cut my center front like that. So I'll go and join them on the sewing machine, the center front parts. So that's how it is going to be arranged. Yeah. And now what we are going to do before we join, we are going to measure around the center front. Yeah, where we are going to join our seams. And I got 19. So when I got 19, I made a rectangle which is 19, and I just estimated but I made like 9 inches, 19 by 9 inches. Yeah, but you can estimate with your eyes what you want. Yeah, or you can make it smaller than I made it. Then I divided it like that, then made lines like that. So I'm going to do split and spread method. Yeah. So I divided that. I did not cut it completely, but I made lines. I cut it, not through. Yeah, like that. So when you're doing this, you have to do it on fold. Why on fold? Because we are going to join the center and the back together. So we shall not split in between these floors. Yeah. And the reason I put this, I cut from this side and put the other side, because I could not get it as I wanted on this fabric, so I decided to change do it as that, but later I corrected it. Yeah, so after I had to cut as it was supposed to be, like that. So I arranged it as it was supposed to be in the beginning, then again I cut. So that is on fold. Then I cut another piece. Also I cut it on fold. So we are going to see how our arrangement will be. Be careful that you stitch the front to the front and the back to the back. So that's how it will be, like that. That's how we are going to arrange them, and that's how it came out to be before joining it to our skirt part. The blouse was too long. I cut it from down a little bit to make it shorter, like 15 inches. So we shall get our skirt part. We already cut it in the beginning. Then we shall join it with the upper part. So I'm going to measure my waistline again, because most times I leave a sewing allowance, sometimes 1.5 inches, sometimes 2 inches. So I will have to check again to see if I have excess before I join the skirt to the top part. So I found out that I had excess. I reduced a little bit. Then I went to the joining part. So my dear, if you have not yet subscribed, please do subscribe, and in case you're a returning subscriber, hit the notification bell. So in order to arrange your dress so well, you can notch the center front and notch the center back. Yeah, and on both parts, the blouse part and the skirt part, so that you can arrange it properly and sew your seams properly. And that was our result. That's how it came out. Thank you for watching my videos. I love you. comment, like, and share. Bye bye.